If you have an 05 to 15 Tacoma like the one behind me, we're gonna take your old third brake light from the past to the future with the new Morimoto X3B light. I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to install and also tell you a little bit about the product. Let's get it. Yes, we know and we heard you guys. We know you've been looking for a third brake light upgrade for a while now. Discouraged when the search returns no more than the same old variety of El Cheapo options out there. The X3B from Morimoto is different though. Modern headlights have come a long way. Even taillights have come even further. Yet Toyota is still speccing out the same old dingy looking third brake light. The X3B is the perfect grand finale for detail-oriented enthusiasts who just want to say no to stock. The pronounced 3D red brake light optics are as modern as it gets, yet tasteful. Here, function meets form, because the brake light optics are just as effective as they are attractive. The jewel light optics are molded from an optical grade red polycarbonate paired with the powerful 3-watt LEDs. They create a high intensity brake light setup that's easily visible both in day and night. An F1 style rapid flash module is also available and easy to install. It reuses all the original mounting points. It fits like the factory brake light and will plug into the stock wiring harness. There are no modifications required for this installation. All Morimoto assemblies are designed to comply with all DOT and SAE regulations. We pride ourselves on offering a stylish, high performance and safe product for our enthusiasts. This is why all Morimoto products are verified and trusted by third-party labs for compliance and are backed with an industry-leading 5-year warranty. Enough talk, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to install this. It's just 2 screws and 1 plug. But if you opt for the rapid flash module, it will be 2 plugs. Grab your Phillips head screwdriver, go ahead and start loosening the bolts. Go ahead and remove the entire assembly, and once you turn it backwards, it's going to expose the plug you need to disconnect. Our X3B third brake light does typically come with 1 harness, but since we opted with the flash module, it's going to come with 2. All you have to do is simply connect the 2 harnesses, and then it goes into your OEM harness. It's that easy. Now, grab the remaining plug and plug it into the back of the X3B. The flash module does come with 3M tape on the back, so that way it doesn't rattle around while you're driving. And boom, just like that, you're done. All you have to do is tuck in the harness, put in the same 2 bolts you took out, and you're done. It doesn't get more simple than that. But if you want to check out more, make sure to go to morimotohid.com, put in your year, make, and model, and I'll catch you in the next video.